Hello viewers, welcome to Rani's Admires Nature channel. Today we are going to see about 15 biggest, tallest, deepest and smallest places in the world. Before going into this video, please subscribe our channel, share and like the video. Number 1. Deepest lake, Lake Baikal, located in Russia. This is the deepest Siberian rift lake in the world, and it is also has the largest volume, where it contains roughly around 20% of Earth's surface fresh water. Number 2. Highest mountain, Mount Everest, located at China-Nepal border, runs across its summit point. This mountain is recognized as the tallest mountain in the entire world. But keep in mind that it is only when we start measuring it at the sea level. Number 3. Highest mountain from base to peak, Mauna Kea. This volcano, which is located on Hawaii's Big Island, located in the United States, it almost twice as tall as the highest mountain, which is the Mount Everest, but that is only if you measure it from its base on the seafloor to its peak. Number 4. Point farthest from the center of the earth is Mount Shimborsha. The earth bulges at the equator, because of which the peak of the Mount Everest is not the farthest point from the center of the earth. This may come as a surprise, but the honor is given to the summit of Mount Shimborsha. This is located at the equator, South America. Number 5. Lowest point on earth, that is Challenger Deep, located around 11 kilometers below the surface of the ocean. This is the deepest point in the Mariana Trench, which is already a deep trench. As a matter of fact, Mount Everest would fit quite snugly below the surface over here. This place is surrounded by Philippines, Japan and Indonesia. Number 6. Highest waterfall, Angel Falls. This waterfall is located so high that at times the water evaporates before it actually hits the ground. This area is located in Venezuela, South America. Number 7. Driest place, Atacama Desert. The point which is located in the middle of the desert, where the rain has never been recorded till this day. Scientists refer to this region as the absolute region. Number 8. Highest human settlement, La Rinconada. This mining town in Peru is located in the highest hospitable regions of the world. If it gets any higher than this, humans would be unable to adapt to it. This place is located in Peru, that is in South America. Number 9. Hottest temperature, that is Death Valley, with recorded temperature has gone up to around 134 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has turned into the hottest place on the world, located in California, United States, North America. Number 10. Most remote inhabited place on earth, Tristan da Cunha. This place is thousands of miles away from South Africa and South America. This small archipelago, located in the Atlantic Ocean, and has a population of just 271 people. Number 11. Deepest cave, Kubera Cave, located in Georgia. This is the only cave on the entire planet that goes deeper than 2000 meters. Located at intersection of Europe and Asia. Number 12. Largest vertical drop, Mount Thor. Situated in Canada, it has a vertical drop which is around 1250 meters. Even though it is located in the remote location in the frozen tundra of Canada northern provinces, it has turned out to be a popular rock climbing destination. Number 13. Hottest inhabited place, Dalol, Ethiopia. This is the hottest and most inhabited region in the world, but these days it is Dalol that has become quite sparsely populated and many refer to as ghost town, but there is no recent official census, so the record still stands. Located in East Africa. Number 14. Northernmost point of land on earth, Kefik-Lebanon, is land located in Greenland. This island is considered officially the northernmost point on the earth. However, there are many shifting gravel bars that are located further to the north. Number 15. Coldest temperature, Vostok Station, Antarctica, at minus 128.6 degree Fahrenheit. This temperature is measured in East Antarctica. Apart from some newer satellite measurements, it's still considered the lowest ground-based temperature on record. Please subscribe and share and like this video. Thank you.